think this conference is quite unique in the sense that it brings people from industry, national laboratory, and the universities together under one roof and talking about the challenges we are all facing, but solving the problems from different perspectives. So I think it's a very unique conference.
I got involved in this conference 25 years ago. It was a phenomenal event, had both investors as well as CEOs and the founders. The interchange of ideas between those two camps was amazing. I think this was phenomenal. We learned a lot and hope we can continue this for future going forward.
I attended this conference first in 1987, 50 people or so at the Howard Johnson's in Deerfield Beach. It's 2,300 people now. It's the longest running and the biggest conference because it's the best. The conference organizers do a fantastic job. It's the best exhibit I've ever seen for this conference. This is the best networking opportunity ever. If I had to pick one conference to go to, this would be it.
It's a great conference. I really like the big exhibition. It's a long way to come here, but it's definitely worth it. I will be coming back.
I actually like to be here every year. First of all, meeting really the right people in the battery industry. I believe everyone here has a great mind. This makes it really unique.
I like the technology descriptions and new ideas that comes out, and you can learn about what's going on, the latest in technologies. I think the exhibit's all growing every year. Networking is great, and also some of the technical talks are excellent.
We track recycling infrastructure throughout the supply chain. It's been really valuable to come and meet people from all areas of it and have a look into recycling infrastructure, suppliers to recycling facilities, and meet these people in person. There's so much going on. I'm going to have to watch all the videos afterwards, so I'm so glad that they're going to be available online.
This was the first battery conference that I went to 21 years ago. Met Shep Wolski at that point. It's such a unique conference because of the technical and business aspects that get discussed here. But I think Shep started it in that regard, and it's really carried on to today.
This is my favorite show. It's got the broadest collection of people here. We've got everything from academia to industry, components, manufacturing capabilities, something for everyone. I always learn something new. Pretty much everyone that's anyone in batteries is here. It's the place to be.
Our booth has been flooded with people, so it's been a great opportunity to meet people in the industry, some great leads. It's really a good opportunity to understand who the main players are, what they're doing. It gives us a different look at the North American market.
We've been coming here for a number of years. We're part of the upstream process for cell and module assembly. I think the networking part is excellent, and the fact that there's an app to use brings a lot of people together. It made it a very successful show for us.
I think the high quality of the speakers and the breadth. There's the only battery conference or conference in the world that'll have the top leaders in academia, you'll have industry leaders, and you'll have the funding now.
A very nice venue, much better weather than in Germany. You really meet a lot of like-minded people, and you run into people you would have never thought about you could have some common interest. It's a benefit for all the people who are doing that.
There's a lot to like about the International Battery Seminar, but my most vested interest is in the global supply chain. I actually found that very intuitive, and it was really nice to have all the discussions and all different perspectives there.
I come to International Battery Seminar every year. It's just a great place to meet the rest of the industry, see the advances, as well as see some of the similar challenges that different companies are facing in the industry.
We really enjoy coming here because it really is a great mix of exhibitors plus great seminars, lots of scientific talks going on that are really great to learn about what's going on in the industry, and it's really exciting to come here and talk to all the great participants and share our new technologies.
I think it's actually extremely useful to have the science meet the technology and the startups and the commercialization, because we each understand what the other problems are and see how we could help each other. It's been a remarkably useful learning experience for me, and I plan to come back.